What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to repair Epic Games Launcher on your PC free and fast. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Okay guys, all what you need to do, just open your browser and open Epic Games site like me. I also leave you this link in the description of video and you will see here download. But first you need to have installed Epic Games on your PC. Make sure you have installed Epic Games like me and go back and click here download. Save installation and wait for download process. After downloading Epic Games Launcher on your PC like me, just open it and go here run and you will see here repair. In this case, click on repair and go here repair. If you see this message like me, Epic Games Launcher is currently running, just go here like me and close your Epic Games and go retrieve. After finishing this setup, you will see this message and your Epic Games is working. Go here finish, press task manager and type Epic Games and open it. And that's it all guys, how to repair Epic Games on your PC. I see you in the next video and bye guys.